In this video, I am going to show you how to withdraw money from Cryptomania. Watch the video till the end so you cannot miss an important step. Unfortunately, Cryptomania does not provide real money withdrawal because Cryptomania is a trading simulator and it does not involve real money withdrawals. Instead, it is a platform for honing your trading skills. It provides educational value. Remember that Cryptomania primarily serves as an educational tool. Use it to learn about trading strategies, market dynamics, and risk management. Real world crypto action. Cryptomania features 50 plus of the most traded cryptocurrencies, along with the live codes sourced from global financial markets. You will find interactive charts and professional trading tools. Risk-free learning. Use Cryptomania to learn the ins and outs of crypto trading without any financial risk. Develop trading strategies, practice, and work toward your learning goals. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.